లోక్సభ అసెంబ్లీ ఎన్నికలను పారదర్శకంగా నిర్వహిస్తామని సీఈఓ రాజీవ్ కుమార్ తెలిపారు. ఓటర్ల జాబితాలో మార్పులపై కొన్ని పార్టీలు ఆందోళన వ్యక్తం చేశాయన్నారు. ఎన్నికల్లో డబ్బు ప్రభావాన్ని నియంత్రించాలని కొన్ని పార్టీలు కోరాయని చెప్పారు. ఏపీ, తెలంగాణలోనూ ఓట్ల నమోదుపై ఓ పార్టీ ప్రస్తావించిందని సీఈఓ రాజీవ్ కుమార్ తెలిపారు. ఇక మహిళా ఓటర్లు ఎక్కువగా ఉండడం శుభ పరిణామమని ఆయన అన్నారు. ఓటర్ల జాబితాలో తొలగింపులు, చేర్పుల విషయంలో చర్యలు తీసుకుంటామన్నారు.
We are fully committed to conduct elections free, fair. I will keep repeating free, fair, impartial and inducement free. But how do we bring them to the polling station? So that's an appeal through you. So there are two kinds of things. One is which we will appeal again and again, though the voting percentage in Andhra is quite good and women are more, so they definitely vote. But through you, youth, young voters come and vote. All district magistrates, collectors are doing that special drive to go to colleges, to go to the to appoint them as brand ambassadors, the youth fellows. But through you we say that you please do come definitely. I say in a language that if you keep whole day doing the social media pressing button, please come once and press the button of the ballot unit also. Single schedule for Telangana and Andhra you mentioned. What you have in mind is that people do not cross from here to here and vote both the places. This is what is the purport of the question which was again asked as to how Telangana and AP. So the rule position is resident of a particular place in order to be a voter. It is not necessary that you have properties or you have other things out here. Anybody can be a voter only in one place. You cannot be a voter at two places. This is a crime. We have instructed everybody that such instances, if anybody is living here ordinarily, he can definitely be a voter.